Before things get wild this spring with peak severe weather season and the agricultural growing season, my wife Sophie, the kiddo, and I packed up the Cloudmobile and drove from snowy Illinois to warm and sunny Florida to visit her side of the family. We hadn't seen her folks since pre-pandemic 2019, and though we're not quite done with this thing yet, we did a little quarantine job and did our best to avoid other humans on our way down south. On a normal visit, we do all the touristy things and get my wife to the beach where she belongs. But with COVID-19 still prevalent, we kept to ourselves, aside from a few trips to check out the local swamp drama. If you want a real reptile knowledge drop, you're going to have to head on over to Pecos Hank's channel. This is an alligator. Not quite full grown, but not quite a baby. Now these are some little baby alligators. And this, presumably, is their mother. That's my beautiful wife and her super cool dad. This is a limpkin. She's sitting on several legs and just having a relaxing morning, casually tucking the grass into her nest. The bird show here at Lachua Trail was unlike anything I've ever seen. Here's another limpkin. They spend their days strolling the swamp looking for these apple snails, called apple snails presumably because they look kinda like apples. They'll find one and try to bust it open with their beaks to try to get to the snacky good stuff. Here's a big handsome vulture. There were tons of them here. My father-in-law says they're visiting from Ohio. I forget what these guys are called, but they love spreading their wings and catching some rays. Here's another dinosaur, or alligator. I have no idea what kind of snake this is, but it is one good-looking snake. Here's a turtle that looks like a manhole cover. local snack thief that's been chased up a tree by hungry humans. For our final trick, we headed off to Manatee Springs, hopped in some kayaks, and let these big beasts swim right under us. Vultures are beginning to circle. It might be dead meat. We're back home in Illinois now. The snow is melted and the first thunderstorms are just around the corner. I've got some tricks up my sleeve for the channel this spring's storm observation season and can't wait to get rolling. Be sure to subscribe and click the little bell to be notified for future uploads.